Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speakers. If these questions in your mind, so you are on right channel. So don't forget to subscribe the channel first of all. And I'm here to tell you how you can improve your English communication skills while doing your daily English speaking practice. So what is important if you really want to speak in English is just one thing, is your positive attitude. If you feel positive that you can speak English like native speaker, so you can speak in English. So you have to be positive, you have to accept that you can speak in English and you have to learn English. I will tell you what is most important if you really want to learn English speaking is vocabulary. Yes, the vocabulary is a very most important thing if you really want to learn English speaking. But what is the best way? What is the best way to learn English vocabulary so that you can improve your English communication skills? So the best way is reading. Yes, here I have the Times of India, which I also prefer for improving my vocabulary, because whenever each day used to read Times of India newspaper because it's a great newspaper and I got so many advanced words. If you want more advanced word, you can go on the page of editorial page of Times of India newspaper. If you have any other newspaper, so every newspaper has an editorial page where you will find more advanced word. But if you want more other words like new words, so you can check out your whole newspaper. You will find more and more the vocabulary in the newspaper. So this is the best way to learn vocabulary. English newspaper will help you to improve your communication as well as your pronunciation. Your pronunciation will improve, your fluency will improve, your confidence will improve, because you are not just learning, you are working on your personality. English is not just a language, I would like to tell you. English is more than a language, it is a communication skills. That is why English has considered all over the world a global language. Why? Even you want to go and get a job in corporate sector, you need to learn English speaking. Or you want to go for overseas studies in Canada or Australia or in any other countries, so you have to learn English speaking, because how will you survive in the foreign country without knowing English if you are going to the English speaking country? But before going over there in the Canada or Australia, you need to qualify language test, which is IELTS and TOEFL. How will you able to qualify these examination? When you will work on your reading, your speaking, your speaking and other aspects of the IELTS examination standards. But I would like to tell you that read English newspaper, listen English media, because listening is always as matter as vocabulary, as matter as speaking. So listen English media to improve your English communication skills. Read newspaper every day, which will improve your vocabulary, and try to speak in English with your friends in front of camera or in front of your mirror. So try to speak, because speaking will improve your confidence as well as your fluency. If you do these exercise every day, nobody can stop you to become a English speaker, and believe me, you will be able to give the speeches in English. So you just need to focus on your English communication skills if you really want to grow your career. So I hope you like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.